This is what terrible SoCal traffic looks like at 8:46 in the morning. We're on our way to Illinois Autobody to work on the green Land Cruiser and also the Ranger for Ford. There is less than 4 weeks till SEMA. So if you guys wonder why I'm starting to look like a werewolf, it's because I don't have time to shave. I don't have time to do anything besides sit in awesome traffic. We're heading to the shop to get some of the Thule stuff that's coming in today. Luis just painted the Tepui tent, color matched it for the Sandstorm Land Cruiser. We got to put the awning on, and then the Sandstorm Land Cruiser is done, and then we're going to finish up the green one. As you guys know, we took a break on the Army Green Land Cruiser for about 2 weeks because Ford came into town last week and we had to get the Ranger suspension figured out and the body and jams painted. So now we're going to finish up the Land Cruiser while we are working on the Ranger. We're working on both cars. We've got, like I said, less than 4 weeks to finish the Sandstorm Land Cruiser, the Army Green Land Cruiser, the Ranger, and we also just got the Santa Fe from Hyundai 2 days ago, but Tjin's working on that. So we're gonna go check out the Tepui tent and awning for the Sandstorm Land Cruiser, and then we're gonna reach out to Wilco Off-road to stop by to put their fifth wheel hitch on so we can bolt on the fuel wheels. So it's gonna be a good day. Back tomorrow. So the next couple of days are gonna be hectic. And like I said, 4.5 weeks till we head out to SEMA with 4 of our builds. So gonna flip around the camera in a sec, show you guys this amazing SoCal traffic, and then head to the shop. Color matched it for the Sandstorm Land Cruiser. It's going in the Pennzoil shell booth. And then there's Franco. Look at this guy working hard.
Thank you.
So here's all of our stuff. So this is the Tepui tent for the Green Land Cruiser. All of the hardware, luxury mattress. For the Army Green Land Cruiser, we did it in the tan color to accent the green. Fitted sheets, and then the cool lights for when we're camping. So big thanks to our friends at Tepui for hooking us up. My mind is about to explode as I read over this pre-SEMA checklist. I'm going to show you guys real quick what we have left over the next 4 weeks before we head out to SEMA. You guys will see pre-SEMA checklist, Sandstorm Land Cruiser. List isn't too bad. The Army Green Land Cruiser, which is behind us. It's got a pretty decent checklist. Just spoke to our friends at Wilco. They're going to come on Tuesday to install their product. And then checklist for the Ranger. Spoke to RTR this morning about the flares and the grill and the vents. So that's a quick checklist of what we still have left to do. We're going to take apart the Japanese headlights, all the screws, so we can prep it with the grill and paint them matte black. For all of you wondering As you can see, Toyota, these are real deal headlights, square headlights. So I've taken them all apart. So here's the trim, here's the headlights, here's the housing. So the trim, the outside pieces, the corner lights, the grille are all going to be prepped and painted matte black to match the flares. Let's see if Luis could put it in the hole. Does have 4 kids, but I think that those days are long gone. Hole's not big enough for Luis's giant Fender snorkel. Is that your snorkel?
Yeah.
Yes. Luis is gonna put it in the hole again. Or try. Nope. Okay, 3rd time trying to put his snorkel in the hole. How do you have 4 children? That's one of them. Thank God we never have to watch Luis having sex because this is terrible. Sorry, Spiky. 5th time's the charm. Here we go, Luis.
No, bro, shit.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, you can't see me dance. Damn. How do you say hallelujah in Spanish?
Hallelujah, wait.
Hallelujah, way. Jesus is here to put on the snorkel. So snorkels installed, brackets, fitment is good. All the bolts are bolted from inside. He's going to the bathroom, cabron. Caca! Caca is SEMA in Spanish. Today was a good day. Got a lot done on the green Land Cruiser. I just got back to the house. I wanted you guys to check out my new whip. I'm borrowing Luis's Chevrolet on 26s. I left the Tucson there today because he had to paint some parts before we sell it. So it was a very good day. As you guys saw, took a little while to get that snorkel on, but we got the snorkel on. Got the rear bumper on, got the ladder on, and making progress. So got a couple of things left to do, and then we'll have both Land Cruisers buttoned up. The beige one is looking awesome with the Tepui color match tent, and we're gonna put the tent on the green one, and then of course button up the Ranger. So thanks for following, and our channel, subscribing. Any questions you got, let us know. And we are excited to show you guys our 4 builds at SEMA. Thanks, guys.